Google Nano Banana is insane when it comes to image generation, but imagine that power built directly into an image enhancer. Introducing Wondershare UniConverter, an AI-powered editor that makes image and video enhancement effortless, now featuring a Nano Banana-style generative AI model. Just upload your blurry, low-quality, or old photo with Watermark, and you're done. In seconds, everything transforms into sharper, clearer, Ultra 4K studio-ready visuals. You can colorize old photos, remove or replace backgrounds, and restore lost details with just one click. And the best part? No prompts needed. Simply pick your enhancement mode and let AI do the rest. First, download UniConverter using the link in the description. Once you're inside, you'll have access to tons of powerful AI features right at your fingertips. Now get ready with your input. Whether it's a blurry low-quality image or an old family memory, this feature can fix it all. First, head to the image section and select Image Enhancer. By default, it's set to auto-enhance, but you can easily switch modes anytime. Now upload your image. You can add a single photo or even an entire folder. The tool supports up to 20 images at once, making bulk uploads super easy. Once uploaded, you can instantly preview the results before exporting, and wow, the results look amazing. With split mode or slider view, you can compare the before and after side by side, making the improvements crystal clear. And don't worry about the watermark, it will disappear after exporting. By simply hover over any feature to see what it does, no guesswork needed. For example, the image upscaler can scale images up to 8 times without losing quality or details. Let's try it. I'll upload a new image, remove the previous one, and instantly upscale it to improve clarity. Check out the slider to see the difference. It's insanely cool, right? Just look at the eyes and the skin, everything looks crystal clear. Suppose if you got scratches, stains, or faded colors in your old photos. Don't worry. Just head to Basic Repair under Old Photo Restoration. This smart feature fills missing areas, removes cracks and marks, and restores faded details, bringing your photos back to life in seconds. Need even better results? Switch to Old Photo Clarity under the Advanced model. It goes a step further by rebuilding damaged textures, not only removing scratches and lines, but also upscaling the image for sharper clarity and a clean, natural finish. Pretty amazing, right? And one of my favorite features is image colorization. Have a black and white photo? Simply switch to photo colorization under the Advanced model. Just upload it, and boom, it's instantly colorized. With just a few clicks, your old photos can look fresh, vibrant, and brand new. And if you're still not fully satisfied, or want to upscale a blurry image to even higher quality, switch to blur correction under clarity and light enhancement. Upload your image, and you're done. Your blurry photo becomes noticeably sharper and clearer. Want to enhance the lighting? Switch to light enhancement. It automatically balances colors and brightness. With just one click, it revives dull images, brightens dark areas, and adds natural tones for a more professional look. Perfect for fixing low-quality pictures, restoring precious memories, or giving your photos that final polished touch. Now let's see how to remove a watermark. Switch to Image Watermark Remover. Let's try the sample image provided below. Simply use the brush, adjust the brush size, paint over the watermark, and click Remove and Preview. The result, and you're done. And honestly, it works really well. But imagine if the crazy Nano Banana AI is integrated with the watermark remover, then you wouldn't even need to spend time brushing over the area. Just switch to Nano Banana, and whether you want to remove people, watermarks, or text, it handles everything instantly. Let me upload a new image. In this photo, there are people walking while holding umbrellas in the scene, and I want to remove them. So I select the Remove People option, click Remove and Preview, boom, instantly removed. Look at that. The people are gone, and the background looks clean and natural. Pretty impressive, right? With just a few clicks, you can erase unwanted objects and get professional-looking results in seconds. If you'd like to remove the background and replace it with a new one, just head over to Background Replacer, or you can even use the batch editor. Basically, you can do everything at once, from image enhancement to brightness and contrast adjustments. Simply upload your image, remove the existing background first, and then choose a new one from the available holiday-themed backgrounds. With one-click adaptation to event scenarios, it's perfect for quickly creating social media and e-commerce materials. Once you've made your selection, click Apply, and you're done. Your image is instantly updated with a fresh new background. That's how Wondershare UniConverter helps reduce effort and saves time with powerful AI tools. And don't forget to explore Wondershare UniConverter using the link in the description below. That's all for today's tutorial. I'll see you in the next video with another exciting AI tool.